I'm sure you'll remember the Decorativo video from Wildstone that we did at the beginning of the year. Well, they've actually installed some now at PatioWorld, so just go take a look and see what they've been up to. So today, my mate here,
hello.
Shane, going to be putting some of the Decorativo on this cabin here, and then in these sections along here as well. I'll give you some time lapse of that happening.
It's manufactured, a big slab of stone comes out the floor and literally a GRP is painted onto it. It's then false cured with heat and light, and then a big machine literally rips 1 to 3 mil of the stone, which stays, you know, obviously it infuses with because the stone's porous, it infuses with the GRP, and that's what gives it its waterproof.
Yeah. So as you can see on these two pieces, that pattern matches all the way through. And that's on each two, isn't it? On each pack?
On every two. So what the customer's actually buying is an 8x4 sheet, guillotined.
Yeah, I'm with you.
For transport purposes, you know. The beauty with the transportation of it is that it can roll like wallpaper.
Oh yeah.
So in essence, what you can do, obviously this is an individual piece, but even in a pack, you can roll it. And get it in your car.
Perfect. Fantastic.
With spreading the adhesive, what I try to do is run a bead around 10 mil off the edge all the way around to start with, then at least I know I'm getting a full contact on the edges. So to fully cover a full one individual sheet takes roughly about 1.5 tubes.
1.5 tubes.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Working from the edges in to start with, being the most economical way to do it, and trying to ensure that you don't get massive squeeze through.
Yeah.
You need it to come to the edge, but what you don't need is a lot of squeeze through.
So is it just a matter of like patting it in then?
Just making sure you get a good. Once, to be honest with you, before you need to be happy with where you've got it before you start pushing it in place, or you'll never manipulate it.
Of course, yeah.
When you first put it on is when you can start and just play about with it a little bit and manipulate it.
Make sure it's right.
Yeah, and then once you've kind of pushed it on, it's not going anywhere. To achieve a full bed of adhesive is to take a roller, it can be a heavy roller or a small roller, and work from the centre outwards. And what that does, it squeezes all that adhesive that was originally in lines as to one solid
mass behind it, yeah. I'm with you. Instead of running a strip along there, you're going to do them in strips that way, the size of the board, to keep the grain in the same way, so you don't have two different grains going different ways. as you can see, quite a versatile product. In the video, obviously, you saw him put it on a wooden cabin. It can be used in kitchens, bathrooms, on concrete walls, obviously on wood, tile, backerboard, that kind of thing. There are quite a few different installation methods. So you just show the installation method on timber there. Obviously, if you're going to use it in a bathroom, there's a slightly different method, a different type of adhesive to use. But it's a brilliant product. I've got a little bit here. So, as you can see, that is a piece of Decorativo. It's very bendy. And it does look like stone. I'll just show the camera, if you can see it. It does look like stone. And that's just an offcut. So, it's a brilliant product, honestly. Absolutely fantastic. I do love it. I would like to see a lot more of it in landscaping. It's a nice idea. So, you know, in my head, I can imagine putting it on some low-lying wall or even seating area to make it look like one solid bit of stone. Or any kind of walling, really. Step risers. It's got quite a versatile type of product. And like I say, you saw in the video, it comes in an 8x4 sheet that's glittering down the middle. So them two pieces always match. Which is really ideal if you're trying to match a certain area you're in. But it's a brilliant product. I can't wait to see a bit more of it in landscaping. So keep your eyes peeled for this product. And don't forget to like and subscribe.